Domestic house cleaning costs. For homeowners who have the time and energy, cleaning their home can be a therapeutic experience. But for others, cleaning can be an exhausting and time-consuming chore. How much does it cost to clean a house? The average house clean is likely to cost between £10 to £20 per hour, depending on whether or not you hire an independent contractor or through an agency. As window cleaning requires a bit more labour and equipment, it is more expensive at £20 to £25 per hour. Floor cleaning is very affordable and will cost an estimated £10 to £15 per hour. Upholstery cleaning is also an affordable cleaning job and will cost an estimated £10 to £15 per hour. Carpet cleaning is more expensive due to the equipment needed and labour involved. The estimated cost per hour is £25 to £40. Oven cleaning is also an expensive cleaning job and will cost an estimated £40 to £60. If you've had some building work done and need a clean-up afterwards, the estimated cost per hour is £20 to £25. If you plan to move out of your rented flat, you can always hire a cleaner to do an end-of-tenancy clean to ensure you pass any landlord inspections and secure your deposit once you've moved out. The estimated cost per hour is £50 to £150. What affects the cost of house cleaning? Independent cleaner or agency hire. The type of cleaning job. The current condition of house. Your location. How can I save money on house cleaning? Comparing quotes is a great way to potentially reduce the cost of your house cleaning. Household Quotes can help you get quotes from multiple cleaners near you. Cleaning is a great DIY job. Local supermarkets will have a wide array of cleaning products available for any of your cleaning needs. Cleaning your house yourself will eliminate the need for a cleaner entirely and save you the cost of hiring one. Regular cleaning ensures there's no need for a deep clean, as you're maintaining a good level of cleanliness. If you own quite a large home, it may be best to ask about weekly cleaning appointments, as this could end up saving you money in the long run. You can also be selective about which rooms you want to have cleaned. Instead of asking for a whole house clean, you can select 1 to 3 high-priority rooms. How do I find and hire a domestic cleaner? Finding the right cleaner can be challenging. At Household Quotes, we connect you to cleaners in your area. Seek recommendations from family, friends, and neighbours. Cleaners are going to be within your home, usually for up to 5 hours at a time, and you want to make sure you feel comfortable with them. It's an idea to either ask for or seek out their references. Finally, asking if they hold public liability insurance is important, as this could protect you if the cleaner is hurt or their equipment is damaged whilst in your home.